Hey everyone! Can you believe it? 2025 is just around the corner, Tatina, and today we're talking about how you can make $400,000 before the new year. Sounds crazy, right? I know, I know. But hang tight, because I'm going to break it down for you and show you that it's totally possible. And yes, passive income is going to be your secret weapon. So, grab some popcorn, hit that like button, and let's get into it. Now, we've all heard the term passive income, right? But what does it really mean? I used to think passive income was like finding a unicorn, magical, but totally made up. Spoiler alert, it's very real, and it could change your life. Active income versus passive income. Let's clear this up. Let's start with a quick reality check on active income. You go to work, clock in, work those hours, and bam, you get paid. Simple, right? But here's the catch. When you stop working, the money stops too. It's like trying to watch Netflix with a dial. Up connection. As soon as you pause, you're stuck buffering. Active income is what most of us are used to. You trade your time for money. You work an hour, you get paid for an hour. But here's the problem. There are only so many hours in a day. And if you're like me, you probably want to actually enjoy some of those hours without constantly working. Am I right? So, let's switch gears to passive income. Imagine this. You're chilling on a beach, sipping your pina colada, and your phone keeps buzzing. Not with annoying notifications, but with payments rolling in. Sounds like a dream, right? But guess what? This is exactly what passive income is about. Passive income is like planting a money tree in your backyard. You do the work up front. Water it, give it sunshine, watering it, talk to it like it's your pet cactus. And eventually, it starts growing money for you while you sleep, while you Netflix, while you binge. Watch cat videos on YouTube. But is passive income really that easy? Now, before you go quitting your day job and buying 100 pina coladas, let me keep it real with you. Passive income is not a get rich quick scheme. You're going to have to put in work up front. I'm talking hours and hours of hustle without seeing immediate results. It's like going to the gym for 3 months straight and still not seeing abs. Frustrating, but you're setting yourself up for long-term success. Or so I keep telling myself every time I look in the mirror. No. But seriously, the work you do today can pay off massively down the road. You might not see the money right away, but when it starts coming in, oh boy, does it come in. Step #1. Pick your passive income idea. Let's get tactical. The first step to hitting that $400K goal is picking a passive income idea that works for you. And let's be honest, not all passive income streams are created equal. You don't want to spend months on something only to find out it's more painful than trying to explain TikTok to your grandparents. So, what are your options? Real estate, a classic choice. Whether it's long-term rentals or Airbnb, real estate can bring in a steady stream of cash. Of course, it takes some upfront investment, but the payoff can be huge. Plus, you get to tell people you're a real estate mogul at parties. Instant cool factor. Write an ebook. Like writing? Get that ebook out there. Sure, so it might take months of hard work, but once it's done, it can keep making you money without any extra effort. Kind of like that one friend who keeps showing up to potlucks with store, bought cookies but still gets all the credit. Start a YouTube channel. If you love being on camera, starting a YouTube channel can be a great way to earn passive income. You create the videos once and if you're consistent and smart about your content, you can start earning ad revenue, affiliate income, and sponsorships over time. Think of it like this. So, each video is a little worker bee making money for you while you sleep. Build an online course. Are you an expert in something? Tits. Create a course and sell it online. Once it's up and running, people can keep buying it while you focus on making more courses or, sipping that pina colada. Step hash 2. Set realistic financial goals. All right, let's get into the nitty. Gritty. Once you've chosen your passive income idea, the next step is setting a realistic financial goal. And no, you can't just pull a number out of thin air. We're talking about being strategic. What? Let's say you want to make $400,000 before the new year. That breaks down to around $100,000 a month over the next 4 months. Seems a bit daunting, huh? But don't worry, we'll take it one step at a time. You're not going to hit $400K with one ebook, so maybe you create multiple income streams. Maybe you start renting out a property, launching an online course, and growing your YouTube channel all at the same time. The key is diversification, because when one income stream takes off, it can carry the others with it. Step hash 3. Hustle now, chill later. Now here's the part where most people give up. When you're building passive income, the upfront work can feel like climbing Everest. And you're doing it barefoot, in the snow, with no oxygen. Okay, maybe I'm exaggerating. A little. But the point is, it's tough. This is where consistency comes in. You have to be willing to put in the grind now so that you can relax later. Maybe that means working late nights after you're 9, -5, or waking up early to put in extra hours on your side hustle. Whatever it takes, just keep moving forward. Step hash 4. Reverse engineer success. Here's a little secret from Tony Robbins. If you want to succeed, find someone who's already done what you want to do, and model them. I'm not saying copy them, but learn from their playbook. Let's say you want to build a course that makes 6 figures a year. Find someone who's already done it to see how they structure their course, how they market it, and what systems they use to automate sales. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. You just need to build your own version of it. Step hash 5. Get a coach. Here's another tip that can fast track your success. Hire a coach. Now, this isn't just for people with tons of disposable income. A good coach can help you stay motivated, guide you through the tricky parts, and keep you accountable when you feel like giving up. If LeBron James has a coach, why shouldn't you? Even the best need help staying on top of their game. Final thoughts. You've got this, so. Can you make $400,000 before the new year with passive income? Absolutely. But it's not going to happen overnight. You've got to be willing to hustle now so that you can chill later. And trust me, the payoff is worth it. Imagine waking up in 2025, checking your bank account, and seeing that passive income rolling in. You'll be glad you put in the work now. And hey, if you're sipping pina coladas on a beach while your phone keeps buzzing with payments, well, don't forget to invite me to celebrate. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe, and drop a comment below with your favorite passive income idea. Let's crush it together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.